Hello, welcome guys to my YouTube channel. I'm here Usama Jamil with a new video. In this video, we will be talk about crypto pumps and dumps scams explain how to avoid them. It has been a hot issue lately in the world of crypto and finance. Crypto pump and dump schemes. Many examples can be found on social media, but they often disappear just as fast. The scammer will use misleading information to get people interested in the new crypto and buy lots of it. Then they sell their coins and disappear as soon as they have got their victims' money. In this video, we will be talking about how the scammers work in the market, how to recognize and prevent them, and what to do if you are scammed. Although the role of crypto and social media in these scams is relatively new, and the fraud itself isn't. People have been doing this for many years with all sorts of investment opportunity, mainly stocks. The theory behind this scam is simple: mislead others into thinking an investment has great potential with false information. After this, a scammer waits until the stock's price is sky high. Then they sell how much they have purchased of this stock or security. Finally, they disappeared with their victims' money. In recent years, this has happened more and more with cryptocurrencies. If you see the BTC chart, Bitcoin, uh, it's 1 month chart. You can see the big pumps and dumps. The market was 22,784.59 USD, but when the dumps start, it falls to 18,266.49 US dollars. This is often an easy and safe way for criminals to make a living since cryptocurrencies are largely unregulated. Also, they can be bought and sold more or less anonymously. One of the prime example of this was what happened last year with the Squid Game coin, named after Squid Game, which is one of the best Netflix shows out there. However, the coin in reality had nothing to do with the show, but that didn't stop it from creating a buzz. It soared from just over a cent to $2,800 in a short period. After reaching this high point, it fell back to only a few cents a few minutes later. We want to protect you and other passionate crypto investors from this scam. Crypto pump and dump scheme or rug pull is another common term for these scams. Rug pulls and pumps and dumps are referred to the same thing. The formers come from the idea of figuratively pulling a rug from under investors, causing their investment to crash. After all, this is essentially what happens with this scam. The investor feel they are getting into a good investment, but soon the whole thing crashes and their investment crumbles. How do crypto pump and dump schemes begin? Although not always the case, cryptocurrency pump and dump schemes often start on social media such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Discord channels are also popular starting point of these scams. Scammers will generally promise to enormous growth in a short time frame and will often lie about what the crypto aims to do and who or what is associated with the coin, like the Squid Game coin. The main problem is how to recognize and avoid the crypto pumps and dump schemes. In this section, we will discuss how to recognize the pump dump scams. After all, these types of scams, awareness is the key to prevention. New cryptocurrencies being hyped up. You should always be wary if you see a new coin suddenly getting a lot of attention. Always make sure to check out when the cryptocurrency was actually founded and go through the whiter to understand what it's about and the problems it may solve. Okay, we understand people want to be among the first ones to discover a new crypto coin to reap maximum rewards for getting in on the ground floor. But in many cases this can go against you. If you do decide to get in one new cryptocurrency, you should do so after doing your research and after evaluating its potential, not because some people on Facebook say it's going to be great. Okay, celebrities or influencers in advertising a cryptocurrencies. Anytime you hear some famous talk about a cryptocurrency, ask yourself what their motives could be. Many influencers and celebrities don't know much about crypto stage. They just hype something up if they are getting paid for it. It's unlikely that the celebrity or influential person themselves is backing the project. What is more common is that these famous figures are paid for it, either in fact our sorry either in fact our in the new cryptocurrency for any post that make or the hype they generate. In most part of the world, there aren't any firm laws in place yet for dealing with these scams, which is why most influencers and celebrities can get away with easily. On second number, copy and pasted messages on social media and in Discord groups. Another telltale sign of the crypto dump and pump scam is for you seeing a lot of same virtually identical messages about a new crypto appearing all over social media or in Discord groups or pages or in channels that cater to crypto or investment enthusiasts. After all, this points to a deliberate and a large-scale attempt at influencing investors' behavior. As mentioned, this is the first step of the scam. Most of these are generally paid posts, and you may even see ads popping up on social media or video sites. If someone wants to share something about a new coin or stock they discovered, it's much more likely they will do this in one of few groups and in a much more natural way. Most established crypto projects quickly gain traction because of the technology behind them. And that's what the founders of Ten focus on it. You won't see badly worded ads or similar messages for such products. Aggressive advertising also a tool to grab the money of the investors that can be used in a dump and pump scenes. A sudden price hike is a relatively unknown coin. Okay, we will check Shiba Inu. Okay, we will be talk about the sudden price hike in relatively unknown coin in our next video, and we will talk about the coin Shiba Inu, which price was about 4,000% plus hike in a single day and remain 4 to 5 days there, and then suddenly drop over 4 to 5,000% down. Hope that you people like this video. Kindly subscribe my channel for updates and knowledge about these cryptocurrencies and their pump dump scams. Take care. Goodbye.